So hello everybody and welcome ACOnetwork is again with all of you with this small video tutorial about alternative player for Twitch.tv for Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome. I will show you how to install it on both of these web browsers. That is basically alternative version of player of the Twitch's player. And it is pretty nice. I will tell you inside the video also a major problem that I encountered inside the Twitch itself. Yes. Okay, before I show you all this stuff, don't forget to subscribe, press bell icon to get notified about new videos. Give thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you did not, and share with others so others can learn. So, let's start. So everybody, it's time to show you some new stuff. Oh yeah. As you see already, here is Twitch.tv website inside Mozilla Firefox web browser. I also opened Google Chrome web browser because I will show you this alternative player for Twitch, how to install on both web browsers. Yeah. Okay, but before this, I need to tell you a few other stuff. So let's open up some streamers window. Stream. So, okay, this one, like King Richard. Okay, as you see here, that is the main window of Twitch player of this specific, let's say, streamer that you want to watch. There is a lot of stuff from chat box over here, from the window of the stream itself, information about viewers, title, panels, and such. And you're probably wondering, why should I even take this alternative player for Twitch? You do not need to, but I need to tell you one big issue that I have with it. I mean, that I have with Twitch. Specifically on Mozilla Firefox. I had, for example, two streams opened at the same time, side by side. I started viewing when I had, let's say, about 3.5 gigabytes of RAM used. And after 2.5 hours, I saw that Firefox took all of the rest of the RAM memory completely. So there was absolutely no RAM memory left. Free, no. And later I found out about this player, alternative player. I tested it and I can say that after 4 hours of viewing both streams, different two streams, RAM memory was always in the margin very small. So basically, let's say 3.5 gigabytes of RAM was used and that's it. Not much. Okay, and that is one major difference why I want to use this alternative player until, of course, this problem is fixed. Another thing is that, let's say you want to watch some stream and your internet connection is not so good, you know, and it is keep buffering and buffering and buffering and buffering, you know. There is possibility, let's just pause this, that you click these settings, click this quality button, and you get this possibility of selecting whatever quality you want. For this stream channel, it is maximum of 1080p 60 frames per second, and it go to low as 106p, which is very low, as you see, very low quality. But remember that when you set to auto, your Twitch player will try to determine the best quality if it is for your internet connection, for your computer and such, you know. Okay, we done this. Another thing is to remember that quality you cannot change with the small streamers. I think that you need to be affiliate to can use this function. So everyone who watches your stream that can select the quality. But when you are watching some streamer that it is free user, simply it goes to one quality selection, and that is, let's say, 720p or 1080p, whatever. That is the only selection you get. And with this, let's say you have bad internet connection. And the problem is that this stream will keep buffering and buffering and buffering and then playing and then buffering and playing, and that is very much annoying, you know. And for this, alternative player gives you some sort of solution, you know. You can there select the quality of your internet connection. You can select it to bad, and it will try to make its best to reduce as much as he can of these bufferings, you know. I told you all this basic stuff, and now it is the time to install this extension, show you how to install it and how to use it. I will show you on Mozilla Firefox and Google Chrome, on both of them. So you can get to this web page of this extension on 3 different ways. First way is just to go to your, let's say, Google search engine or any search engine you want, and just type, let's say, Mozilla Store. And you can just go to this addons.mozilla.org, and that is the second method. You can just type up here just this site, addons.mozilla.org, and you get to this same website. And up here under find, you can just type and as you see here, I have the live results of this whatever you are writing, and here it is, alternative player for Twitch.tv. I can just click on it, or I can just click enter and browse it on the results page. And when you click it, you get this main window of this extension. You get some images, there is a lot of stuff, you can read it, what this extension does and such. But to this web page you can get the third way. Yes, now it is third way. You can click this open menu button up here. You can click add-ons. You can go to find more extensions, and inside this white box just type in alternative. You can type in whole name if you want, but as you see here, for the example of here, when you are typing here, you get live results, where here you do not. That is the difference. When you press enter or magnifying glass on the end, you get back to this web page that I was earlier, you know, and just click alternative player for Twitch.tv, and I am back at the same web page that I found in the previous 2 minutes. Okay, now I can just close these 2 windows, these 2 tabs, and just click add to Firefox. And that's it. Now you just need to confirm it. Yes, I want to add it. Just click add button, and this add-on is installed. And now when I click on the stream that I have before, let's pause it, you see that I am inside another player, and that is that new alternative player for Twitch.tv. Before I go further into this, how to configure it, I will go and show you the same thing, how to do it on Google Chrome web browser. Because this extension is completely the same look and everything on both web browsers. I will go to Google search engine, and you can just type Chrome Store. And of course, like in Mozilla Firefox, there is very similar how you can get to this web page of this extension. you can click on Google Web Store and Web Store of Google Chrome shows up. You can go by typing only chrome.google.com in URL section and press enter, and you get to the same web page over here. And under search the store, you can just type alternative. There is some possibilities, but Firefox is better on this live result. And when I press enter, I see alternative player for Twitch.tv, and I can add it to Chrome directly from here, or I can just click on it and get the information about this extension and images, reviews, and so on. Third method how to get to it. Here you need to click these three dots button, customize and control Google Chrome. You need to go to more tools, click on it, and click extensions. On this web page, click these three lines over here button, main menu, and click open Chrome Web Store. And you get to the same window that we were just now. And I will just close it, all those two windows, because I do not need it, because I already opened this extension on this first tab. And just add to Chrome. Like in Firefox, you need to confirm it if you want to add it. Yes, add extension, press, not cancel. If you click cancel, it will not install. Yes! And here it is installed. So if we get back to Twitch and reload the web page, here it is. That is basically on Mozilla Firefox also. If you want to get back to main Twitch stream viewer thingy player, then you just need to click this title of this stream, and you get back to this main Twitch stream viewer thingy. And as you see here, this icon is showed also here. I showed you how to install it on both Chrome and Firefox. Now it is the time how to use it. I will close Google Chrome because it is completely the same usage on both of the web browsers. I will close it just to have little more resources only for Twitch, only for Mozilla Firefox, sorry. Okay, so here I have the icon. If you right mouse button click on it, it toggles off. What that means? When you click any stream on the Twitch, if it is toggled off, so it is not white, then it will show you inside this Twitch player. But if it is white, it will automatically show you in alternative player. So that is the difference. But don't worry, even if you do not have it on and you want to open it inside the alternative player, this stream that you are watching, you can just click on it with the left mouse button. And that's it, you are inside! Yay! Next thing, the quality of the video of the stream you can select by pressing this gear icon, and under video quality you can select whatever quality you want, except like I already said, on streamers that are small, that are free, those streamers basically have only the selection of quality they are streaming at and nothing less. But also here you have audio only. That means that video will not be shown, but you can hear the audio of the stream. That is very nice function, Now I change it to 480p because this my virtual machine is not powerful enough to show 720 and 1080p quality videos. Now we learn a few things already. If we click this button, open and close the chat, you get the chat box. You know, it is so nice. Let's say this button on the end, it is full screen. So you can go to full screen, and if you click this button, you get this chat box on your side. You can also move this chat box to other left, right, top, bottom, wherever you want, and that I will include how to do it inside the settings itself. So let's go to the settings, back to the settings. Connection quality is the next thing that I want to talk to you about, is that I already said a little bit before: good, moderate or bad. If you have good quality, just type it good. This setting is just helping you with those streams that you cannot select the quality, good quality. Your internet connection is, let's say, very bad. These settings is basically trying to reduce, all these bufferings and all these low internet connection stuff. There is instant replay duration, and there is a lot of different stuff. You can stretch small video. You can see the video its original size, which is 480p. My screen resolution is 1080p, and that is why it is so small. Okay, let's go next. I will not go through all the settings of this extension, but remember, if you need any information or whatever, you can just type everything below this video in comment section, Chat, that's it. Here you can select where you want the chat to be. Just type the circle you want, bottom, left, right, wherever you want. I will leave it at this. Chat placement automatic. I actually do not know what that's. There is a lot of different stuff. I haven't gone through all of them yet. You can hide or unload the chat however you want when you hide it, when you toggle the switch on off. Chat version, full feature, less feature, dark mode. You can do it whatever you want, and so on. There is a lot of stuff you can do. Player color version. Still blue is my favorite of these. That is the theme of this player. Interface size. You can reduce or increase the size of this interface. You can set after how much seconds this interface will hide. Change volume by mouse wheel. How much percent volume will go up and down when you scroll the mouse wheel, and so on. You just need to use your logic, and you have a lot of different colors that you can set by yourself. Main menu, you have all settings. You can export them to your computer to back up your settings that you set here. So if you are on, let's say, another browser, another computer, whatever, you can import it, all the settings, and all settings will be back as you set it right here. This bell icon, that is information, important information. If you want to support them, I encourage you to support them. Those people who created this extension, that is, create a clip, and so on. Also, you have here play, pause, right here, volume, mute, or turn on the volume. You have the volume slider, and so on. There is a lot of different stuff, that is for playback. Well, that is it, Video is done. I hope you like the video. There is a lot of information. I hope I did not do it too bad. I want your comments about video, if it is good or not, and so on. If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to say hello, whatever, just type everything below this video in comment section. And until next time, have a blast and see ya. Bye bye. If you have any questions, did not understand something, want to ask me something, want just to talk, just type everything in comment section below. Don't forget to like or dislike this video, subscribe to my channel so you get notified about new videos, share video with your friends, co-workers and others so they can learn too, and have a great day. Bye bye.